Welcome to a quick repair video. A decade or so ago I purchased this Bose QuietComfort 3 or so. I was actually not the most happy, like basically for flights, traveling stuff, right, a little bit noise cancellation. Wasn't the most noise cancellation, wasn't the best audio, but that is another thing. Now I realized, didn't even use it the most the last 10 years, but I thought I'd give it to my family or so. And like, unfortunately, this foam is completely sticky mess. I really wonder why companies in this day and age or 10 years ago still can't produce long-lasting foam stuff. It's the same, even the Nexus 5 from Google, like companies, please stop producing this soft touch stuff. And if you need to do some soft touch stuff, at least make it long-lasting. What is that here? Plant obsolescence or incompetence? I don't understand. Like, you have a relatively usable Nexus 5 phone with T2 Linux or Graphene or stuff, but like, yeah, really disgusting. Similar, even Behringer, like in so many places, right? Even the Apple hockey puck mouse, but like even this, like, why do they need prosumer, firewire and USB stuff, firepower? Like, why does this need to be such a sticky mess? This is not my thing. I only recently purchased this off of eBay, really like cheap, like for $10 or so, for firewire audio. But yeah, you get something like relatively okayish, but like this is a completely gummy, sticky mess. Like, why? So repair-wise, unfortunately, there is not really that much to do. Like, as you see, it's completely degraded, sticky stuff. To remove that, I googled that. You just pull this off here. It's just clipped on there. Theoretically, you could probably like some glue there, some stuff, but it's of course difficult. The memory foam. I mean, the foam is there. I mean, it's difficult, right? So I got here these aftermarket spare ones of online e-tailers. You could buy the original ones, but they're probably more expensive. They are very cheap ones, like for $5, $6, $7 or 10. So these are a little bit more expensive, like 10, 12, 13, 14, depending on your day and region. They said to have some cooling gel here, like this blue stuff allegedly. I wanted to try this out. I hope they last longer than 10 years, or maybe they will disintegrate the same like this old, yeah. Anyway, theoretically just clip it on there. The only problem is this is so sticky and gummy stuff that the whole edge here is still full of this, right? Like, you could just ignore this gummy stuff, but I will try to remove it. I tried the other day with isopropyl alcohol. It removed a little, but not the most. So let's try some abundant nail polish remover and hopefully a little bit more aggressive than isopropyl alcohol, and try to rub this sticky shit off there. Why even high-end companies need to produce it like this? I have no words. Plant obsolescence. I mean, should petrochemical plastic manufacturing stuff or make it genuine real leather? I don't know. But like, this is for high-priced AAA allegedly product, really ridiculous in my opinion. But leave me in the comments below. What do you think of this sticky, gummy, rubbery, fake leather, degrading stuff? I don't quite understand. Was this glued here? There's that much of this stuff. Like, yeah, repairability even with swapping those is here somehow questionable, I have to say. Pretty sticky at this side. I mean, worst case, there's slightly less audio noise insulation, but yeah, it's really unfortunate how this disintegrated. Probably you can buy such a sticky thing as well. I mean, maybe the better thing, no, I peeled it off here already though. I mean, maybe that wasn't the best idea to scratch all of this off, because it's apparently some maybe noise isolation and whatnot membrane. And that is why I record this, so that you can do it better, because obviously I do it the first time. And there were some videos, but none pointed out that stickiness. Maybe it's better to just wipe it here at the edge, to just remove the most sticky stuff at the side, and then simply, you're not touching it all the time anyway, and then only leave this already sticky stuff in there as isolation. You're not touching it there all the day anyway. Even if it's the tiniest amount of sticky, then just live with it, I guess. It's not like primary touch surface. And then the new ones just snap on here. Line those holes and pins. And as good as new, if just it would sound better. Yeah, just plant obsolescence, leave in the comments below. Modern manufacturing, I would really expect more, especially from Bose. But also use this stuff decades to come, right? There is no reason not to use, otherwise perfectly fine. Maybe once or twice a new battery. I just realized this also starts to get sticky here. I totally overlooked this. This is of course really disappointing. I mean, you could certainly DIY then. I mean, I was not satisfied with the sound anyway, and like this materials for premium product, even if you say 10 years is long, it's like for me 10 years is not long. For me 25 years is long, and there is no reason this can't last 50 years in my opinion. And actually, as much as I replaced this cushions here also already, which I was not the most happy about, but at least this is still relatively okay. Maybe fake polyurethane leather stuff is not the most amazing idea. Maybe we should use more natural materials for longevity and comfort. Yeah, audio is as bad as I remembered it. Somehow a lot of bass, mids lacking. It's like, yeah, I don't know, Bose, what have you done there? I should have returned it 10, 12 years ago. See you next time.
In the silver rooms where it's out of play, I'm on the firewalls, the traps they lay. He's a coder moving fast and sleek, no trace left behind, no need to speak. With T2 Linux, his code runs swift, silent as a whisper never seen. Through the data streams where the bit streams flow.